Welcome to Jaggaiahpet, a small town nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India. Here in the Krishna district, life unfolds at a different pace, governed by the rhythms of the earth and the flow of the mighty Krishna river. Join me as we uncover the unique charm of Jaggaiahpet, exploring its landscapes, vibrant culture, and the delicate balance between humanity and nature. Jaggaiahpet lies cradled within the sprawling Krishna River basin, its destiny intertwined with this mighty waterway. The land here is largely flat, a vast tapestry of emerald green and golden yellow, meticulously cultivated by generations of farmers. Rice paddies shimmer like countless mirrors reflecting the sun, their edges giving way to fields of groundnut and cotton. The Krishna River, a vital artery coursing through the region, breathes life into this fertile expanse. Its waters flowing from the distant western Ghats nourish the land, sustaining both the crops and the people. During the monsoon season, the river swells, transforming the parched land into a vibrant tapestry of lush green. Jaggaiahpet experiences the characteristic climate of its region, a land where the sun's heat dominates for much of the year. Summers here are a crucible, testing the endurance of both man and nature. Temperatures soar, pushing the mercury high into the 40s Celsius. The land bakes under the relentless sun, the air thick and heavy with humidity. Life slows to a languid pace as people seek solace in the shade, waiting for the respite that evening brings. But even in this unforgiving heat, life finds a way. Trees, their leaves leathery and resilient, stand stoic, offering patches of welcome shade. Birds, masters of adaptation, seek refuge in the cooler canopies, their calls a constant serenade despite the oppressive heat. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the parched earth, a palpable sense of relief settles over the land. Winter, in stark contrast, brings gentler days to Jaggaiahpet. The scorching heat recedes, replaced by a more temperate warmth. The air cools, inviting people to venture out and enjoy the outdoors. Farmers tend to their fields with renewed vigor, preparing the land for the next planting season. It is a time for community gatherings, for festivals and celebrations, as the town comes alive with a vibrancy that belies the quietude of the hotter months. This cycle of intense heat and milder respite shapes the lives of Jaggaiahpet's inhabitants, a testament to their resilience and bond with nature. While not as densely forested as some other parts of India, the land surrounding Jaggaiahpet supports a surprising diversity of flora. Trees, their roots sunk deep into the sun-baked earth, stand as sentinels, offering shade and sustenance to the creatures that share this environment. Mango trees, their branches laden with succulent fruit, are a common sight, their presence a reminder of the sweetness that nature can provide. Tamarind trees, their gnarled trunks and feathery foliage, a testament to their resilience, offer their tart fruit, a staple ingredient in local cuisine. Beneath the canopy, a vibrant understory thrives. Shrubs, their leaves adapted to conserve precious moisture, flourish, adding splashes of green and bursts of color to the landscape. Creepers, their tendrils reaching for the sky, weave their way through the vegetation, creating a tangled tapestry of life. And during the monsoon season, when the rains drench the thirsty earth, a profusion of wildflowers erupts, transforming the landscape into a kaleidoscope of vibrant hues. This verdant landscape attracts a diverse array of fauna. Birds are particularly abundant, their calls a constant soundtrack to life in Jaggaiahpet. Peacocks, their iridescent plumage a dazzling spectacle, strut through the fields, their piercing calls echoing across the countryside. Parrots, their feathers a riot of color, flit through the trees, their chatter adding to the symphony of sounds. And during the migratory season, the skies above Jaggaiahpet come alive with the wings of birds from far-off lands, seeking refuge in this relatively peaceful corner of the world. Insects, too, play a vital role in this ecosystem. Butterflies, their wings delicate works of art, dance among the flowers, their presence a reminder of the beauty that can be found even in the smallest of creatures. Life in Jaggaiahpet is inextricably linked to the land. Agriculture, the backbone of the local economy, is more than just a profession here. It's a way of life, a deep connection to the earth passed down through generations. The people of Jaggaiahpet understand the delicate balance between taking from the land and giving back, a relationship built on respect and a profound understanding of nature's rhythms. From dawn till dusk, the fields are alive with activity. Farmers, their faces weathered by the sun and etched with the wisdom of experience, tend to their crops with a care born of generations of knowledge. Bullocks, their powerful muscles rippling under the strain, plow the fields, their hooves turning the rich soil in preparation for planting. Women, their brightly colored saris, a stark contrast to the greens and browns of the landscape, work tirelessly alongside the men, their hands moving with a practiced grace as they plant, weed, and harvest. The arrival of the monsoon is a time of both anticipation and celebration. The life-giving rains, often arriving in dramatic bursts, transform the parched landscape, breathing life into the thirsty earth. Farmers, their faces etched with hope, sow their seeds, trusting in the bounty that the monsoon promises. Children, their laughter echoing through the fields, run barefoot through the puddles, their joy a reflection of the renewed life that the rains bring. As the crops grow, so too does the sense of community. Neighbors help each other, sharing tools, labor, and knowledge. Festivals, deeply rooted in the agricultural cycle, provide opportunities for people to come together to celebrate their connection to the land and to give thanks for the bounty it provides. Jaggaiahpet's cultural identity is deeply intertwined with its natural surroundings. The town's temples, often centuries old, stand as testaments to a faith that reveres the natural world. Intricately carved deities representing various aspects of nature grace the temple walls, their presence a constant reminder of the divine forces that govern the cycles of life and death, growth and decay. Festivals, vibrant expressions of faith and community, punctuate the year, each one a celebration of the land and its bounty. Pongal, the harvest festival, is a time of joyous thanksgiving, as farmers offer the first fruits of their labor to the gods. Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, marks the beginning of the agricultural calendar, a time for new beginnings and renewed hope. And during Diwali, the festival of lights, the town is illuminated with thousands of oil lamps, their flickering flames symbolizing the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness. Music and dance, integral parts of Jaggaiahpet's cultural heritage, often draw inspiration from the natural world. Folk songs passed down through generations tell tales of love, loss, and the everyday struggles and triumphs of life in rural India. Traditional dances performed during festivals and celebrations mimic the movements of animals, the swaying of trees in the wind, and the ebb and flow of the seasons. This deep connection to nature is reflected in the everyday lives of Jaggaiahpet's inhabitants. Respect for the environment is ingrained from a young age, and people live in relative harmony with their surroundings. While Jaggaiahpet offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, those seeking a taste of urban energy need only venture a short distance to find it. Vijayawada, a bustling city located approximately 60 kilometers from Jaggaiahpet, provides a stark contrast to the slower pace of rural life. Here, amidst the towering buildings and crowded streets, one can experience the energy and dynamism of modern India. Vijayawada, situated on the banks of the Krishna River, is a major commercial and cultural hub. Its history stretches back centuries, and the city boasts a rich tapestry of ancient temples, bustling markets, and colonial-era architecture. The Kanaka Durga temple, perched atop Indrakiladri Hill, offers panoramic views of the city and the river, its colourful Gopuram tower, a beacon visible for miles around. For those seeking a more tranquil escape, the Undavali caves, located on the outskirts of Vijayawada, offer a glimpse into the region's rich Buddhist heritage. These ancient rock-cut caves, dating back to the 4th century AD, house intricate carvings and sculptures, testaments to the skill and artistry of the ancient artisans. Whether one chooses to immerse themselves in the vibrant chaos of Vijayawada or to explore the ancient wonders of the Undavali caves, a trip to Jaggaiahpet offers a unique opportunity to experience the diverse tapestry of life that Andhra Pradesh has to offer. As we conclude our journey through Jaggaiahpet, we are left with a profound sense of the delicate balance that exists between humanity and the natural world. This small town, often overlooked, offers a glimpse into a way of life that is deeply connected to the rhythms of the earth. Here, amidst the fertile fields and ancient temples, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility, a reminder that there is beauty to be found in simplicity. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Jaggaiahpet. Until next time, let us all strive to be better stewards of our planet, protecting its wonders for generations to come.